Welcome back. State government is yet to pay the Mormugao Port Trust a sum of 7 crore rupees. MPT had towed the MT Pratibha Bheema vessel to the port and has berthed it on request of state government. MPT Chairman P. Marapandian claims that government had promised a monthly payment to the MPT as berth charges. However, has failed to pay dues since month of May. Vessel also poses a threat to the port.
Mormugao Port Trust has written a letter to the Chief Secretary of Goa, B. Vijayan, asking him to pay the dues amounting to 7 crores. On the request of the state government, MPT had tugged the MT Pratibha Bheema vessel to the port and has berthed it at berth number 9.
MPT deployed all its men on 30th of May, and though we didn't have much of a power like tugs, powerful tugs, we used the 3 powerful tugs. Our men went to the mid-sea, risking their life, and brought the ship to the berth number 9. And this particular operation was done at the specific request of the state government, who gave me in writing that they would be paying the money every month. And almost last 3 months we've been requesting month after month that the money should be paid to the MPT, and so far they have not taken any kind of action to pay the money so far.
It is risky to park the vessel in the port area for a longer period, as it poses threat to the port.
Because as of now, not even one crew member is available in the ship. It's very, very risky. First, the ship is not manned. Second thing, engine is not working. No generator is on. And thirdly, in fact, it contains a lot of sludge oil. It might form gas. It will create problem for the whole port area and neighboring places also.
Earlier, Pratibha Bheema, the oil tanker, stranded 12 nautical miles off the Goa coast, was towed to Mormugao Port Trust on 30th May. The vessel was towed with 30 shipping staff and 3 tugboats. The fears are now being expressed that the vessel may turn into another liability for the state like the MV River Princess. Dishant Parab for Prudent.
Goan under-16 cricketer Aniket Naik has been hospitalized after suffering an electric shock in Hyderabad on Wednesday night. Goa team is in Hyderabad for practice match. Presently, he is out of danger and is under medical observation in a city hospital in Hyderabad hospital. Goan under-16 cricketer Aniket Naik was hospitalized after he suffered an electric shock in Hyderabad. Incident occurred on Wednesday night when he was out of the academy hostel. Aniket is in Hyderabad for a practice match with Goa team.
By mistake, माझा electric shock लागलो. आणि तेका मागीर electric shock लागलो कोचान बी विजय टीचर हे केले उपचार केले आणि तेका मागीर हॉस्पिटल व्हरचो म्हणलो. हांव आज रोखडोच आज पावला थंय आणि आता बरो आहा तो आणि तेजे पेरंट्सांकूय आमी धाडले विजय थंय. ओके.
President of GCA Vinod Phadke informed that Aniket is out of danger and is under medical observation in a city hospital at Hyderabad.
दोनला भेटो म्हणजे ऑब्झर्वेशन आहे. कोणत्या हॉस्पिटल नाते? तिरुमलाई म्हणून तिरुमला हॉस्पिटल. अनिकेत विशाखापट्टणम कित्या खातीर गेल्लो? जे ऑफिशियल मॅच खेळपाक गेल्ले ते प्रॅक्टिस मॅच खेळपाक ऑफिशियली गेल्ले. ओके. प्रॅक्टिस मॅच खेळपाक. गोवा टीम गेल्ली. गोवा टीम गेल्ली. ओके. शॉक तेका रुमान लागलो काय? ना ते बाहेर लागलो तेका शॉक.
Aniket is with the under-16 Goa cricket team. He is a student of Mother of Mercy School in Vasco and resident of Daboli. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent. A group of 12 councillors of Mormugao Municipal Council has now knocked the doors of Director of Municipal Administration. They have complained about the illegalities carried out by the chairperson of Mormugao Municipal Council even when no confidence motion is moved against him. The agitated councillors claim that funds have been misused.
12 councillors of Mormugao Municipality met the Director of Municipal Administration, Elvis Gomes, on Thursday. They reiterated that Chairperson of Mormugao, Arthur De Silva, is misusing the funds sanctioned by the Urban Development Ministry. These councillors have earlier moved a no-confidence motion against De Silva.
Tender chairperson. We fail to know why there is a mad hurry or mad rush done by him. वॉट इज द मेन कॉज ज्या खंयची कामां करपाक सोदता तेन्ना NITचे अप्रुवल जाय पडटा, टेक्निकल सेक्शनाचे अप्रुवल जाय पडटा. बट हियर विदाउट द NIT अप्रुवल ही हॅज मेड अ हेस्ट एंड ही हॅज फ्लोटेड द टेंडर्स.
आमकां जो 3 crore फंड्स मेळ्ळा हो आमी व्हेरी थँकफूल टू UD मिनिस्टर. 3 crore येदो व्हडलो फंड दिलो म्हण ताणें. आनी हो फंड गव्हर्मेंटाचो आमी मेळत तसो वेस्ट करप हे आमी DMAचे बाबा हेल्थ मिनिस्टराच्या कानार घालां. ताणें आमकां क्लियर कट एक्शनान दिलां की आपूण ताजें हें सगळें फुल आसता एवियन्सान दवरता, लक्ष घालता, आपूण व्हेरीफाय करता. जेन्ना आमी ऑलरेडी चेअरपर्सनाचे नो कॉन्फिडन्स मूव केल्ले कडेन आसा आनी आमी ऑफिशियल लेटरूय दिल्ले कडेन आहा. लेटर दिला की ते फायनान्शियल असिस्टंट कितें आसा ताचो मुवमेंट जावचें न्ही. DMAन ताका क्लियर कट इन्स्ट्रक्शनूय दिल्ले कडेन आसा.
Elvis Gomes says he will act as per the inferences in the probe.
टायमिंग ते आमचेर आसा न्हू. आतां आमच्या स्टाफाक ह्या कामाक लावन रिपोर्ट येता त्या प्रमाणे मागीर एक्शन घेता. कितें सबस्टन्स जर तितून आसा ताणें कितें म्हटलां तितून जाल्यार डेफिनेटली वील टेक एक्शन.
Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Ravindra Bhavan Margaon's Gumad Wadan workshop got good response from children as well as women in Margaon. It was fascinating to see the children playing Gumad and women accompanying them. Here are some of the glimpses. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.